Hello guys, this is Frank the Anointed FX, and this is our weekly outlook Elliott wave weekly analysis on the currency pairs, metals, indices, and cryptocurrencies. So guys, this is disclaimer that this channel is for only educational purposes, and all the videos, presentations, and the writings are only for educational purposes and are not intended as an investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk after consulting your financial advisors. It is good to know that this trading is high risk, so therefore you have to master your risk management, make it top notch before you can be able to navigate through the market. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, do well to subscribe, give us a thumb like, click the bell icon so that you get the video whenever we drop them. If you can join our Telegram channel, that is good. We have a Telegram channel, which the link of the channel is at the description of this video below. So DSY, if you have been following me before now, I talk about DSY coming back from here to correct. That's the three what DSY have done, and it started dropping again. So what am I expecting? I expect it to continue to drop. It will drop above this, below this place before we can see another correction. That's what I'm expecting in DSY this week. Euro US dollar. Euro US dollar. So what am I expecting in Euro US dollar? Very, very simple and easy. Of course, if you watch the video that I did about Euro US dollar, the advanced Elliott wave of Euro US dollar, you can see where I explain this movement that is happening now, and that I'm already in profits. So you can go back and watch those videos so that you can understand what it is saying. So what am I expecting here? I expect it to continue to give me up move to this very point. I even above here to here. What I expect to complete the wave 5. This is A, this is B, this is C. So this is wave 4, and wave 5 is what I'm expecting in the Euro US dollar. Okay, this is US dollar. This is US dollar. Great Britain US dollar. So what am I expecting? Of course, before now, I was expecting this uh market to come below here. Take this liquidity that is lying here. Touch this that it fail average ratio before going up. But looking at it now, it seems like it's not going to come down. But I expected it to come up a little bit, even above here before a drop towards here and then another drop. So that's is what we may see in this Great Britain US dollar. Remember that the market always have the final say. What you have to do is to follow the market, follow the leading of the market, and know where the market is going so that you can be there as well. Okay, this is Australian dollar, US dollar. I told you earlier last 2 weeks when the market was in this value form, I thought I was not going to buy it, but I expected it to give me an expanded flat or a running flat or a regular flat, and that is exactly what we're doing. Here it's going to give me an expanded flat. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting this market to continue to drop gradually, gradually to this very place before buyers will come. That's what I'm expecting it to happen. Let me use clear indication. What I'm expecting is just a gradual movement to this place. Boom. That's what I'm expecting in this Australian US dollar. So this is US dollar Swiss francs. So there's two possibilities that that's put in here. One of them is that market may continue to drop to here to this very point for a correction, or it may get up to here and then drop. So there are two expressions I'm likely to see on this US dollar Swiss francs. Okay, this is US dollar Japanese yuan. US dollar Japanese yuan. So what am I expecting there? Of course, he did what I'm expecting. I expected to come below here, pick some order here, and then boom. But if the market break below here, then I will look for correction towards here and then sell down below. So there are two possibilities. Either he reverse back to here or he break below here and gives me correction where I will sell it down to this very low. That is all for Great Britain. These are Japanese yen. Euro. It's an Euro yen. Euro Japanese yen. So what am I expecting Euro Japanese yen? First of all, I was expecting a triangle. That is A, B, C, D, and E. But looking at the situation of the markets, I don't think that triangle may surface. What I will see is something collective movement to this very point, this very area. Then this area will give us a buy to here. Then from here, we'll now see another side. That's what I'm expecting. So they're expecting a collective movement towards this area, then a buy towards here and a drop. So that is what you may see. Why is it that? Because this place has been broken. Look at it. This trend line here has been broken. So the triangle, which I'm expecting before, or a diagonal, is no longer in view. No longer in view. Let me change it so that it won't be this. It's no longer in view. Instead, it's something like WS, just like something W, X, and Y. So that is what I'm expecting. That's what happened here. Since you have broken this place, it's no longer in view. So what you may see a correction towards here and a buy. See also this guy. That's what I expected it to come towards to 50%, 0.5. That's 50% of fair value gap there. But it touched the fair value gap and started going down. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting a correction towards there and a drop, or another up movement toward this place before a drop. So these two possibility is what I am expecting from this Great Britain Japanese yen. Okay, this is a US 30. So what am I expecting US 30? Expecting a correction, another drop below here, then another correction, another drop below before a reversal will now come. So that's what I'm expecting in this US 30 index. Okay, this is now 100 on Nasdaq. Before now, I was waiting it to come correction here and then pull up, but it has breaking below this place. So what am I expecting? Expecting a correction towards here and another drop. That is what I am expecting from NAS 1,100. Okay, this is DAX German 30 inches. So as I told you earlier, this is A B C. This is UV. So what am I expecting? Expecting a correction that will come towards this box. Boom. So towards here or here for correction, for the bullishness will continue. That is what I am expecting from this pairs. $1 Japanese yen. Of course, I forecasted last week that they're going to come up here, drop here, and come up again. That is exactly what it did. To watch my video last week, you see it. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting this pair to come below here. I'm going to take out this low, then come below here. You can as well take out this low and come below here before a bullishness will come towards here or even here. Then from there we'll say. So this is going to come below here before bullishness will come. That is what I am expecting in Australian dollar, US dollar. Sorry, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Good. Gold has been flying up so lately. So what am I expecting? This is a stay up movement. This is 1, 2, 3. I said it will fall to end here, but it did not end here. It stopped at the 3.60 Fibonacci ratio. So what am I expecting in this pair? Going to continue to go up to this very place, after which it give us a deep correction towards here. Favorable will come. That is what I am expecting in gold. Silver and gold. Of course, we're looking at silver. It's called a silver. See where I take it's going to come up and it's going up there. So what am I expecting in silver? Expecting another move up, a correction, another move up. That's what I'm expecting in this silver. BTC. This is Bitcoin. Wow, I can see what I told you about Bitcoin in the last analysis. If you've been following me, when Bitcoin came here, analyze it, it's going to break here. And you see how you break this very place and it's coming down. Also, what am I expecting? A correction. It will come to here and then drop again. Do another correction. Drop again. Another correction. Drop below. So that is what you will see in BTC. That is what you will see in BTC. I think that is all, guys. I don't want this video to be too long. That is all, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Remember to join our Telegram channel with the link of this. The Telegram is on the description of this video below. So if you have any question, you can ask in comment section. You can also comment anything you want to comment. You can ask a question, you can bring your suggestions as you please. So thank you guys for watching and bye for now.